नमस्कार दोस्तों। आज बात करते हैं एक ऐसे टॉपिक के बारे में जो कि आज के दिनों बहुत ही ज़्यादा चर्चा में है। और हमारा ऐसे का टॉपिक है 5G टेक्नोलॉजी, या इसको दूसरे तरीके से भी देखें तो 5G टेक्नोलॉजी इन इंडिया। 5G technology is the fifth generation of the internet and is considered to be the fastest and secure means of data transfer so far. The 5G is much more powerful than its previous generations due to its high speed data transfer and low latency. लेटेंसी एक टेक्निकल वर्ड है। लेटेंसी का मतलब होता है कि वो समय जो एक डेटा पैकेट को एक जगह से दूसरे जगह पहुंचाने के लिए नेटवर्क को लगता है। यानी कोई भी कनेक्शन एक डेटा पैकेट को एक पॉइंट से दूसरे पॉइंट तक पहुंचाने में जो समय लगाता है उसको लेटेंसी कहते हैं। तो 5G का जो है ये बहुत ही कम समय में ये डेटा ट्रांसफ़र होता है, इसके लिए इसकी लेटेंसी बहुत ही कम होती है। दिस 5G टेक्नोलॉजी विच इज़ द नेक्स्ट जनरेशन ऑफ मोबाइल ब्रॉडबैंड will eventually replace or at least expand 4G LTE connections. LTE connections का मतलब होता है लॉन्ग टर्म इवोल्यूशन इज़ अ स्टैंडर्ड फॉर वायरलेस ब्रॉडबैंड कम्युनिकेशंस फॉर मोबाइल डिवाइसेस एंड डेटा टर्मिनल्स. 5G is a new revolutionary technology in the field of telecommunications. This technology is said to play an unprecedented role in the field of communication in place of 4G in the future. This technology is being introduced in India, which will give great impact impetus to the important programs of India's social, economic, defense, space, etc., and the development of the nation as a whole will be faster. 5G technology can provide data speed of 10 Gbps and above, and it will be about 20 times faster than 4G. In addition to the data rate, 5G will reduce latency, जैसे हमने पहले ही बात की latency के बारे में. In addition to the data rate, 5G will reduce latency and energy savings, and mass device connectivity will be possible. 5G will be many times faster, smarter, and technically efficient than 4G. 5G is a mixture of telecom and telecom technology which generates very little radiation while using very little energy and provides very high data speeds through extensive connectivity. अभी हम देखेंगे कि कैसे 1G से लेकर 5G तक का ये सफ़र रहा है। evolution from first generation to fifth generation. 1G technology was launched in the 1980s and worked on analog radio signals and supported only voice calls. 2G technology was launched in the 1990s, which uses digital radio signals and supported both voice and data transmission with a bandwidth of 64 kbps. 3G technology was launched in the 2000s with a speed of 1 Mbps to 2 Mbps, and it has the ability to transmit telephone signals including digitized voice, video calls, and conferencing. 4G technology was launched in 2009 with a peak speed of 100 Mbps to 1 Gbps, and it also enables 3D virtual reality. अब आती है बारी 5G की। तो 5G कैसे काम करता है? द ट्रांसमिशन ऑफ द 5G नेटवर्क विल नॉट रिक्वायर एनी टाइप ऑफ टावर बट रादर द ट्रांसमिशन ऑफ सिग्नल्स थ्रू स्मॉल सेल्स स्टेशंस in rooftops or electric poles. These small cells are significantly more important because of the millimeter wave spectrum. Various state-of-the-art technologies under 5G technology such as MIMO, TDD, etc. will be used. MIMO stands for multiple input and multiple output. This MIMO technology will provide downloading capability with an intensity of around 952 Mbps, Advantages of 5G technology. Some of the important advantages of 5G technology are: 5G technology is expected to offer advanced mobile broadband that can meet high coverage requirements. If 5G technology is successfully implemented in India, it will revolutionize the Indian telecom sector. This technology will accelerate the Digital India program of the Government of India, Make in India, ease of doing business, etc. Apart from this, New India Mission, Smart City project, BharatNet project, etc. can be made successful. The high data speed of the 5G network might help cloud systems stream software updates, music, and navigation data. 5G will also facilitate the ecosystem of the Internet of Things. The 5G technology, called the fifth generation of the Internet, can be used to increase India's GDP, digitize the employment generation, economy, etc. 5G technology will help in the country's digital growth that will result in the rise of GDP and employment generation in the country. 5G technology will help to incorporate artificial intelligence into our daily lives. It is estimated that 5G technology will boost the digital economy in India, helping India achieve a $5 trillion economy by 2024 or 25. This will pave the way for next generation applications such as autonomous vehicles, smart homes and cities, virtual reality applications, the Internet of Things, and the large scale machine to machine communication for industries. It is also designed as a network for the Internet of Things, that is IoT. This will not only connect people but also utility machines, industrial equipments, automobiles, city infrastructure, public safety, etc. 5G can enable improvements in the entire value chain, from agriculture to smart irrigation, better monitoring of soil and crop, and livestock management. 5G will enable the use of robotics for precision manufacturing, especially where humans cannot perform these tasks safely or accurately. In healthcare, 5G can enable more effective telepathy delivery, remote control of surgical robotics, and wireless monitoring of critical data. जैसे एडवांटेजेस हैं वैसे challenges भी हैं 5G टेक्नोलॉजी के सामने. Some of the challenges of the 5G technology are: according to information and communication technology experts, India lacks the appropriate infrastructure for 5G, and developing it is a challenge in itself. The proposed speed of 5G is difficult considering the inefficient technical support in most part of the world and especially in India. 5G connection is more expensive than the currently available network. 5G requires investors to invest more than 2000 billion dollar per year, which discourages investors. Tough competitions in the Indian telecom sector has also led to a decline in revenue for sector operators. The switch from 4G to 5G will be infrastructure intensive, and the development of infrastructure for 5G is very expensive, which makes it a difficult task to get implemented fully and reap the benefits thereof. Now let us conclude our essay. Conclusion: it is true that there are challenges related to infrastructure, investment, and health related to 5G technology in India right now, but the government should address these challenges as soon as possible and implement this technology in India. With the introduction of 5G technologies in India, economic, socio-strategic, etc., will bring dynamism in all areas, and the development of the country will be further strengthened. तो दोस्तों ये था 5G टेक्नोलॉजी पर एक छोटा सा ऐसे. धन्यवाद.